How's it, people? It's Saturday the 6th of August 2022, and this is the last video in this series of the Lookout, and that is because the Lookout has just been sold. Well, actually it sold a while back, but we are completing this Thursday. New buyer is moving in, so I thought I'd do one last video to sign off. It's been a bit of a rocky road. It's been on the market for, well, since December. Taken a while, had a few sales fall through, but got there in the end. So the plan for this place did transition as I moved along. What I did with this, which I do with everything that I do design wise for property, is kept it versatile, always had a plan B. Originally, I was planning to rent this place out. As it happened, I ended up living in here as my main residence. Then my circumstances changed, which meant I had to move and sell it, but it's worked out extremely well. So what I've done with this is I've basically practiced all the things that I bang on about in the upcoming course I've got coming up. So that is researching the market well, buying well, scheduling work, managing tradespeople, managing yourself, choosing a good estate agent, being a good seller, finding a good buyer, sorting out all the legals, all of that stuff. I said right at the start that I would share figures on this, and from the original total spend, we did actually go over by about 8.5%, which is never a good thing. That was due to, I underestimated the structural work in the loft a bit, and we just had a massive hike in the cost of materials and labour. That's unavoidable, unfortunately. When I first designed it and worked it out, I worked out what the potential value would be. I was working with very conservative figures. I was expecting the market to drop a bit because I bought in the absolute peak in the stamp duty holiday. If it had sold at that, there would have been a small bit of profit, would have been all right, nothing too exciting. As it was though, the market kept on creeping up and we ended up 20% over that. So yes, thank you very much, nice day's work. If you're interested in any of this stuff, then head over to the website, sign up to the newsletter, and you'll be the first to know when we have courses coming out. For now though, that's the end of this series, and no doubt we'll have another project coming up soon, so we'll see you then. Catch you next time. Bye.